Once you have the iPad enclosure attached to the base, it's time to install the power cord. The best way that we've found to do this is by taking the cord, pushing it through the hole through the back, going up around this rubber buffer, wrapping around this rubber buffer, and then plugging the iPad in. And sliding the iPad into place. What this is going to do, this is going to prevent, when somebody yanks on the cord, it'll prevent the cord from coming out of the back of the iPad. What it'll end up doing is cinching down on top of this rubber buffer, and then you won't have to worry about opening it up to re-plug it in. Then simply take the cover, put your screws in the end, and you're ready to go.